Finding the best hairdryer for thick hair can make everyday styling faster and easier. High-speed motors, ionic technology, and heat control systems are increasingly popular for reducing drying time while helping manage frizz. This guide evaluates 5 hairdryers based on motor performance, airflow, heat settings, ionic technology, diffuser compatibility, weight, noise, and overall value, helping shoppers compare options for thick and difficult-to-dry hair. Product number 1. Hairdryer Ionic Blow Dryer with Diffuser, 160,000 RPM. This high-speed ionic hairdryer is designed for users who want fast drying without a bulky appliance. Its 160,000 RPM motor is the standout feature, providing strong airflow intended to reduce the time needed to dry thick hair. For people who regularly spend a long time blow drying their hair, fast airflow can make a noticeable difference in the overall styling routine. The dryer weighs approximately 0.89 pounds, making it relatively lightweight for extended use. It also includes smart heat control, 3 speed settings, and 4 heat modes, allowing users to adjust the airflow and temperature according to their hair and styling needs. A diffuser is included, adding flexibility for users who want to enhance natural texture or curls. The quiet operation is another useful feature for everyday use. Overall, this model is worth considering if you want a lightweight dryer with high-speed performance, multiple settings, ionic technology, and a diffuser.
Product number 2. Revlon Smooth Stay 1875W Coconut Oil Infused Hairdryer. The Revlon Smooth Stay hairdryer combines an 1875-watt motor with ionic and ceramic technology, making it a practical option for everyday drying and styling. Its higher power output is designed to provide strong airflow, which can be useful for people with thicker or longer hair who want to reduce drying time. One of its notable features is the coconut oil-infused design, which is marketed towards smoother-looking hair and improved shine. The ionic technology is intended to help reduce static and frizz during blow drying, while ceramic technology can help distribute heat more evenly. The included diffuser provides additional versatility for styling textured or curly hair. Its lightweight construction also makes it easier to handle during longer styling sessions. Compared with some of the newer high RPM dryers, this Revlon model takes a more traditional approach by combining strong wattage with established ionic and ceramic technologies. For shoppers looking for a familiar brand and a versatile dryer with a diffuser, it can be an appealing choice.
Product number 3. Travel Hairdryer, 120,000 RPM Dual Voltage. This compact travel hairdryer is designed for people who want high-speed performance without carrying a full-size dryer. Its 120,000 RPM motor provides fast airflow, while the approximately 0.6-pound weight makes it particularly convenient for travel. The dual voltage functionality is one of its most important features for travelers who may use the dryer in different countries with compatible electrical systems. Its compact construction also makes packing easier than with many conventional hairdryers. The dryer is described as producing 500 million ions, with ionic technology designed to help reduce frizz and improve the overall styling experience. A diffuser is included, giving users additional options for drying and styling textured hair. Although its smaller design may not offer the same overall capacity or features as larger professional dryers, portability is its major advantage. If you have thick hair but frequently travel, this model provides a useful combination of high-speed drying, low weight, dual voltage functionality, and styling flexibility. Product number 4. Namfar 110,000 RPM High-Speed Hairdryer. The Namfar High-Speed Hairdryer is built around a 110,000 RPM motor and 1600-watt power rating, giving it a strong performance profile for everyday drying. Its high-speed motor is designed to move air quickly, which can be particularly useful when dealing with thick or longer hair. Ionic technology is another key feature, aimed at helping manage frizz during drying. The included diffuser makes the dryer more versatile, particularly for users who want to dry textured or curly hair while maintaining their natural pattern. Its low noise design is useful for people who prefer a quieter styling experience. while the lightweight and foldable construction makes storage and transportation easier. The foldable design can also be convenient if you have limited bathroom or vanity space. For shoppers seeking a balance between power, portability, and styling versatility, the Namfar offers an interesting combination. Its 110,000 RPM motor, ionic functionality, diffuser, and foldable design make it a practical option for everyday use.
Product number 5, 2026 Professional High-Speed Hairdryer, 200,000 RPM. This 2026 Professional High-Speed Hairdryer focuses heavily on motor speed and ionic technology. Its 200,000 RPM brushless motor is the headline feature, designed to deliver powerful airflow for rapid drying. This can make the model particularly interesting for people with thick hair who want to spend less time drying. The dryer is also described as producing up to 1.2 billion negative ions, a feature intended to help reduce static and frizz while improving the overall styling experience. A diffuser is included, giving users more flexibility when working with naturally textured hair. Its low noise design is another useful consideration for regular home use. The brushless motor design may also appeal to shoppers looking for newer high-speed dryer technology rather than a conventional motor. With its combination of extremely high motor speed, ionic technology, diffuser compatibility, and professional style positioning, this model is worth considering for shoppers prioritizing fast drying performance and modern features.
The best hairdryer for thick hair should balance strong airflow, manageable heat, ionic technology, and comfortable handling. High-speed models from 160,000 to 200,000 RPM focus on rapid drying, while the Revlon emphasizes ceramic and ionic performance. Travel users may prefer the lightweight dual-voltage option. Compare motor performance, heat controls, diffuser design, weight, noise, and current price before choosing.